It's 5:30 in the morning, the morning after. Beryl. First, I didn't sleep well. Thank God this big cotton tree didn't come down. Things just snapped off. You can smell like, I don't know, I guess it's just the smell of the trees where they've snapped. It's all this like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's not like fresh smell, it's just trying to find my way out of here. I think I'm in the garden. I do hear cars out by the roadside. Okay. I'm not sure where the power lines are. Of course, the electricity is off. Well, it's been off since yesterday afternoon. There's another big tree. This is not going to be easy to get this taken care of. This is Jamaica. There's not enough resources. You know, there's not enough skilled labor. There's not enough people that have the resources, the assets, the chainsaws. So in order to even get off this property, people definitely, somebody has to come with a chainsaw. No matter how many branches I drag aside. I don't know. I'm looking at this. I'm saying, wow, what about the rest of the places? There's the gate. Let me see here. You gotta be careful because there's these certain trees that have these really big thorns. So everything just smells fresh, like strong. But the birds are chirping this morning, so that's nice to hear. Everything was dead silent yesterday. There's a lot of mangoes over there, I guess, on the ground. I tied that shut yesterday. So here's the main road. It looks pretty clean out here. Look, no debris that way. No debris that way. But wherever there's a lot of trees, you can believe it. Oh, I see a branch down there on the ground, down there a little bit further. And the watchdog. See? Beware of dog. All right, Sonny.